Hongmeng Zhixing officially announced the launch of Maextro S800 on May 30th, and this news immediately made waves in the automotive industry. Maextro S800, the brand's first high-end large model, is available in 4 versions, starting at 708,000 yuan. The vehicle, which offers 2 power options, all-electric and extended range, offers consumers a wide range of choices with both dual-motor and tri-motor versions. In terms of appearance design, it is unique and creative, following the design philosophy of heaven, earth and man, and adopting an innovative style where stars are intertwined. Bright headlights, nebula taillights and star-like door handles. Every detail reflects an extraordinary design concept. When looking at the body dimensions, the length, width and height values of 5480/2000/1536 mm, combined with the wheelbase of 3,370 mm, create a spacious and stylish sense of space. Different power versions have their own air intake designs. The extended range version has a horizontal decoration, while the fully electric version has a cage design, which reveals a unique personality. In terms of body color options, it offers customers 6 unique color schemes, including 4 two-tone colors such as dawn gold and black, cloud silver and purple, and 2 pure colors, to meet the aesthetic needs of different consumers. It creates a strong visual atmosphere when paired with large-sized bright silver rims. Wheel hub designs include sunrise, moonlight, and starlight. The naturally aerodynamic body design is combined with wide-angle flat side windows, and the drag coefficient is as low as 0.206 candelas. It optimizes vehicle performance while improving aesthetics. The rear of the vehicle adopts a fastback design and is matched with star-shaped plug-in taillights. The light group is equipped with the Maextro logo, making it easily recognizable. The pure brown color scheme used in the interior decoration of the vehicle reflects stability. The triple screen is combined with HUD display technology to ensure consistency in information display. The second-row roof window adopts a starry sky ceiling design. The rear projection screen is equipped with fixed slide rails, and the small table and refrigerator are fully equipped. The rear door handle innovatively adopts a detachable armrest display design, which supports multiple functions and can be held with one hand without pressure. In terms of technological configuration, it is equipped with independent sound zone technology and implements an adaptive sound field elimination algorithm through the acoustic tunnel noise reduction hood. Combining multi-layer soundproof glass, sound-absorbing materials and active noise reduction technology, the vehicle reduces the noise on rough roads to 56.7 dB at a speed of 60 km per hour, creating a quiet space for passengers. It also has 8 important features such as Super Cruise and Super Maneuverability. The Huawei ADS-4 full-size fusion sensing system is equipped with 36 sensors that can easily handle complex scenarios. In terms of power, the extended range version is equipped with a 1.5T engine with a maximum power of 115 kilowatts. The fuel consumption of the dual-motor version is 0.09 L/100 km. The maximum output power of the dual-motor version is 390 kilowatts. And the tri-motor version is 635 kilowatts. The suspension system is double wishbone at the front, 5-link at the rear, and features a dual-chamber air suspension system, continuously adjustable damping shock absorbers, and a multi-wheel steering control function. The fully electric dual-motor version can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.3 seconds, the extended range tri-motor version in 4.7 seconds, and the extended range dual-motor version in 4.9 seconds. The empty weight is 2.6 tons, and the braking distance from 100 to 0 km per hour is 34.5 m. As for battery life, the pure electric version is equipped with an 800V high-voltage system, 97 kWh battery capacity, 5C supercharger support, a total range of 702 km with CLTC, and a 12-minute 10% to 80% fast charge time. The extended range version is equipped with an 800V Snow Owl intelligent range extension system with a maximum power output of 80 kilowatts, a 65 kWh battery, a 6C battery cell configuration, and a 10.5-minute 10% to 80% fast charge time. The dual-motor version has a range of 1,333 kilometers and a pure electric range of 400 kilometers. The 3-motor version has a range of 1,200 kilometers and a pure electric range of 365 kilometers.